All right, I recently read someone's comment on one of my previous videos documenting this entire process, and I talked about Google Colab, about how I'm having like issues with it, and I'm thinking of buying more compute units. I'm thinking of buying precisely 2,500 compute units, which is $250, and it's a scam. I mean, well, the comment said it was a scam. He said, okay, well, I had the same problem. I have the same OOM error, which is like out of memory error. So basically, I cannot train my thing, or like I cannot run my program as well. I think it's overpriced. That's why it said. I can like find it right now. And you know what? This made me think, like, I should probably not continue doing my AI on Google Colab. I should probably switch it to some kind of different service. Maybe like Vertex AI. Like if you've ever heard of that, that's a Google thing. Sorry, I have like allergies and stuff you may be able to see. But that, yeah, there he basically said it's a scam, and I think that maybe I should switch to Vertex AI, which is another Google service, but it provides way more strength. It's just that like I've tried it before, it hasn't really worked for me because it's confusing and all this stuff. But maybe if I can figure out through the confusion, maybe I'll be able to properly train my thing. So he's saying I bought Colab Pro and I got the same OOM error. I really felt it is too expensive and not worth the price. And I'm thinking the same right now too. $50 per month. Okay, like $10 per month you buy it, that's not really that big of a deal. You can recover. You get access to some good computers for $10 per month, but $50 per month, and you get access to something that can't even handle 50 megabyte data set training model. Like that's weak. And especially I cut it down to one layer, still couldn't handle it, could only train through sequences. I don't know what's going on. Doesn't sound like an A100 GPU to me. But yeah, it crashed really quickly, and I'm thinking just like to switch. So if you know any services that I could use like Google Colab, that would be great. Other than something like Kaggle kernels, because those are like same as Google Colab, something like big that you could genuinely use to train AI models, like Vertex AI, something like that. And if you would suggest Vertex AI, please tell me, like, what would you like do with that? Like, what would you like? How do you manage to actually get it running? Because like I've tried it, I could only get like a 16 gigabyte computer, and that's it. It says like you don't have enough quota, which quota is basically their system of like allowance money, basically. Except it's not money; it's just like a fake number that they say like if you have enough quota, which basically means if we like you enough, if we think that you're not a scammer, we'll give you quota, which allows you to use our more powerful computers. They give a trial, like a free trial of $300 to use all their services, which may sound like much, but really isn't. And like with their entire payment system, it really isn't. But yeah, I couldn't properly train it. I couldn't properly use Vertex AI. I only could get one of them weak computers, and I tried to request for more quota. They couldn't give me. So if you were going to suggest Vertex AI, please tell me how to actually navigate it if you do know. But other than that, I'm looking for other AI training services that I can use. I'm not sure what I would use. So like I've heard I've looked up like on Bard, which is now Gemini by the way, but on Bard, the Bard AI, like, oh, can you suggest me some like AI training services? And it said, well, if you have large amounts of data, go on Amazon SageMaker, Azure Machine Learning, and Google Cloud AI Platform. Cloud AI Platform is what the Vertex AI thing is. Complex models. If you have a complex model, go on DeepMind, Hugging Face, and OpenAI. I don't know if OpenAI provides anything. Google Cloud Dataproc, Microsoft Azure HD Insights, Amazon Web Services. But yeah, other than that, I don't know. Like, I really don't know what to do. I mean, I'm gonna be looking. I'm obviously gonna find a solution one way or another. But that's like if you have any suggestion of an AI thing, I would be very grateful if you could leave that in the comments. Thank you.